Hello, this is Decimal and welcome to Synth News. Today I want to talk about the LIVEN Ambient Ø by Sonicware. This is an all-in-one, multi-layered synthesizer that is made to be an ambient machine. It has an ambient generator with 4 layers of tones and texture. So there's a drone, pad, atmosphere, and noise that are merged together to generate resonance and transformation. We also have blend wave modulation synthesis that is a synth engine with 6 structures that is designed to create fluctuating tone. Then we have noise and space, which is a noise layer processor with an 8-second stereo sampling loops, and it has noise blending and pitch modulation. There's also an extensive effects section with reverb, shimmer, 6 types of other effects including tape delay and master chorus. We also have a sequencer on each layer that records and performs the evolving tonal changes. When it comes to the sequencer, you have 64 steps per pattern. There are random playbacks of sequence phases. There's a probability of note sounding that can be set from 25 to 100. You can also program notes step by step or record them in real time. You can overwrite the notes in real time as well. And then there's also parameter locks that allows you to record knob changes into your pattern as well. When we're looking at specific specifications on the synthesizer function, we do have a note and hold function, 128 sound patterns, including 16 types of preset palettes. We have mixing, including level and pan for each layer. We have a layer sound, copy and paste function. You can tune all functions and change the pitches of all layers. And then also we have standard polyphony with 10 voices. Now with the 4-layer construction, we have drone, pad, atmosphere layers. So in these layers, we have 6 structures, 32 waves. The drone 1 has 2 oscillators with modulated detune. Drone 2 has 2 oscillators with modulated harmonics. Pad 1 has 3 oscillators with modulated harmonics. Pad 2 has 3 oscillators and modulated harmonics as well. Atmosphere 1 has 1 oscillator with a ring modulation on output, and Atmosphere 2 has 2 oscillators and also pitch modulation as well. When it comes to voice mode, there's polyphony mode, mono mode, legato mode, which adjusts the glide time, unison mode, and arpeggiator modes. With the noise layer, we have 1 structure with 8 waves. We have a looper one-shot playback with white noise mixing. It's 16-bit 32 kilohertz sampling in stereo, up to 8 seconds of sampling time. You can crossfade the settings from 1 to 4 seconds. There's an auto start sampling function with the input level. You can import and export slots on the samples via MIDI. At this moment, audio files from PC and Mac is not supported. So each envelope generator has an attack and a release. The filter is low pass, high pass, and band pass. There's 2 assignable LFOs to various parameters and adjustable LFO. There are 9 types of reverbs. There are 6 types of other effects such as tape delay, reverse delay, master overdrive, master bit crusher. There's a tilt EQ and a master chorus. Sequencer has 4 tracks, 1 track on each layer, up to 64 steps per pattern. Step lengths can be set to various parameters. There's real-time recordings, there's an overwrite function, so a lot of other things that the basic sequencer can do. You have pattern BPM and a global BPM as well, and you can pattern chain. There's also some probability and randomization functions as well. You can connect external gear into this when it comes to MIDI, so you have note control changes and clock input and output. When it comes to the unit itself, it has 27 keys with a hold function, 15 physical knobs. There's an LCD screen as well. We have a line in, and we also have a sync in, which is compatible with the Pocket Operator series. Audio out, we have stereo line out, headphone line out, and also we have a sync out, which is compatible with the Pocket Operator series, and it has a built-in speaker as well. We have MIDI in, MIDI out, sync in, sync out. Power supply is 9-volt DC, and you could also use 6 AAA batteries as well. AC adapter and batteries are not included. Now, when it comes to price, it's pretty reasonable. It's 239 USD at this moment, and the first batch of units that we're going to ship out on July 24th at the making of this video is currently sold out. The second batch will be out on July 30th, and then subsequent batches will be out in mid-August. What do you guys think of the Sonicware LIVEN Ambient Ø? Let me know in the comments down below, and thank you very much for watching. Peace out.